Hi everyone, welcome to Cuebids. I'm Emmanuel and today we're gonna learn about scenarios, how you can use them to create and practice anything you can imagine. I asked in our Discord what kind of thing would you like to practice that isn't already available in deal types, and one of the things that came up was Multi Landy defense to 1-0 trump. So the idea today is that I'm gonna show you how easy it is to create your own little practice thing with Cuebids, and if you have a convention or something that you want to practice, how easy it is to set up that exact thing. Scenarios is available from the menu here. Let's go to create scenario, and since this is going to be for Multi Landy defense of 1-0 trump, let's call it Multi Landy. The next step is to make sure that we actually can use Multi Landy, and the first requirement is that the opponents must open 1-0 trump. As you can see, under West it says enable robots to add hand types, so that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna click on settings, go to robots and enable advanced robots. We'll save that. And then we want to add a hand type to West. There's a lot of predefined hand types under openings, so we're just gonna select one of those, which is 1-0 trump, strong 15 to 17. As you can see, it says this player is not the dealer, we cannot guarantee opening. So when we add this, we're also gonna change settings and make sure that the dealer is West. Save that. And now West, highlighted in orange, is the dealer. And they have a command, will open 1-0 trump. This makes sure that West will open 1-0 trump. But they also have a hand type below this line here. It says balance 15 to 17. So even if we were to change this or remove this balance 15 to 17, they will still open 1-0 trump. So 1-0 trump is a pure command to the robot. We can now test this using the test button. We can click test and we will see that West over here has indeed a 15 balanced hand. In this case they had 5 card major that we allowed when we set it up. You can browse through for a few more examples here. We see that West again has a 16 balanced hand now and another 16 balanced hand. So that seems to be working. Now let's get to business and setting up North hand. We're gonna take it step by step and we're gonna increase complexity to make it more advanced or more accurate in the end. But we're gonna start with something very simple, and we're gonna start with both majors. So we can go click create custom and we can say majors, we're gonna call it that. We're gonna say to overcall with both majors we want at least 13 points, and we want at least 4 spades, maybe 5, and 4 hearts, maybe 5. 4 to 5 in both majors. Let's add that. And now let's also test and make sure that works. Let's click on test. And here we can see that West again has this 15-17 hand. They will open 1-0 trump. And then North has a 4-5 in the majors. Can go to the next one. We see that they have 4-4. And the next one they have 4-4 again. So that already is working great. Next part of Multi Landy is multi. So let's create a custom and call this spades. And now we're just gonna say we want at least 6 or 7 spades. And let's say an opening hand. I'm gonna add that, so now we have majors or spades. Or another one, hearts. 6 or 7 hearts. So now we have majors, spades or hearts, and let's test that. In this case we have spades, here we have hearts, and here we have both majors. So that's working great. Next part of Multi Landy is major minor. So one way we could do this is we could repeat what we've done so far and say spades and clubs. We can do the same thing and check spades and clubs. But this is getting a little bit annoying because now we have to make all the different combinations and stuff like that. So instead, we're gonna use the shapes. And we want you to have 5 spades and 4 diamonds. Or we could say that we want 5 spades and 4 clubs. Or we want 5 hearts and 4 diamonds. Or we want 5 hearts and 4 clubs. We're gonna call this major minor. Let's go back to major minor and add a honor point requirement, and let's start testing. Here we have spades. Here we have spades and a minor, so already we have one of those. And here we have spades and hearts, both majors. So that is working great. And here you have a pretty well working Multi Landy. We can have majors, or we can have spades, or we can have hearts, or we have a major minor. You might be thinking this spades or hearts, we should probably be able to do the same thing that we did with major minor, and that's true. So let's delete the spades and hearts and add a new one. We're gonna call this major. We're gonna say we want 12 points. We're ignoring the suits, and instead we're going directly to the shapes and say that we want 6 spades, or we want 6 hearts, or we could also do 7 spades, or we could do 7 hearts. Like that. So now we have majors, major minor, or 1 major, and we can test to make sure it works. And here we have this is a 7 card heart suit, this is a spade suit, this is hearts. This will work wonders, but I will show you a more advanced technique that we can use so that we can get even more fine control over what's happening here. I'm gonna remove all of these, and we're gonna add a variable. Variables are essentially a set of suits that will resolve to one suit upon generation. So I can say that X, my first variable, is a major, and I can add another variable, Y, which is a minor. That means that when the deal is generated, it will resolve X to either spades or heart, and Y to either diamonds or clubs. And then we can use that. So let's save that, and you can see in the middle here we have these variables displayed. And when I go to North now and create a custom, let's call this multi. I can go to suits and I can say I want at least 6 or 7 of X. And this is already solving the entire multi suite. We could also say that we at most want 4 of a minor. We don't want any extreme shapes. So now we have this multi. Let's test that it works. Indeed it works. But we didn't set any constraints on our honor points. And now I'm gonna show you another cool feature. And it's the suit quality. Under advanced we have suit quality and vulnerabilities. I'm gonna rename this multi-aggressive. I'm gonna say the suit quality can be pretty much anything as long as we are not vulnerable. So East-West is vulnerable or no one is vulnerable. In that case we don't have a suit quality constraint, but we might have we want to have at least 8 points. Save that, and now we can make another one and call it multi restrictive or constructive. Here we want to have at least 12 points. We want the suit quality to be medium at worst. And this is applied when we are vulnerable. So either all or north-south. And again, we're just gonna set the suit to be 6 to 7 and limit the minors to 4. Add. So now we have multi-aggressive or multi-constructive. And then when we test this, we can see, okay, here we have we are non-vulnerable, so we don't have any suit quality constraints. Here we are vulnerable, and here we can see we have a pretty good suit. Here we're not vulnerable, we happen to have a good suit anyway. Let's test a few more. Non-vulnerable, no constraint. Vulnerable, yeah, we have a pretty good suit. So using variables and the vulnerability with the suit quality constraints, we've created a very realistic multi-overcall. So let's do the same thing for the majors. Majors constructive. 13 points. And we're gonna say that we want whatever X is, we want at least 5 of those. And we want at least 4 of both majors. That's a pretty constructive overcall with both majors. Save that. And we can do another one. Create custom. Majors, let's call it weak. This will only apply when we are not vulnerable or when east-west is vulnerable. In this case, let's say that we don't really care about the honor points too much. We're just gonna say that if we have 9, that's fine. But we would like at least 5, and maybe even 5-5. Let's say. So then we don't need the X here. And finally, we want to do the major minor, and that's why we have this Y variable to minor here. Now we can go again, create a custom one, major minor. And we could do the same thing, but now I'm just gonna finish it up with, we want 5 of X and we want 4 of Y. Or at least 4, let's go 4 to 5. That's it. Okay, that's pretty good. Now we are covering most things in Multi Landy. We could of course also add like any strong. Let's just say 17 or more points. That means we can always double to show strength. And we could keep going and just add anything that we want to practice. Let's do a few tests and see that we have things working. Here we have a non-vulnerable multi-overcall. Here we have a vulnerable majors overcall. Here we have a non-vulnerable spade overcall. Let's try a few more. Here we have any strong, 19 plus. Vulnerable major overcall. Any strong. Yeah, so it seems to be working. Let's save this. Multi Landy. Let's click generate more. And in this case, we're gonna choose fast generation. We don't really care about the scoring. We're just gonna practice our convention. Fast generation. Takes a few seconds, and then we have our deals ready to practice. And now we can go to our practice. I'm gonna practice with Leah, the robot, using Gavin's system. Go to scenarios, Multi Landy. I'm gonna do 3 boards. Create new session. Since I created a session, I'm north, and since I decided that north is gonna have all of these hands, I'm gonna have all of the decisions And here's the first one. Here we have a major minor overcall. So I can show that by bidding 2 hearts, showing 5 hearts and 4 minor. I happen to have 5/5. I don't wanna let this go, but I am vulnerable and partner didn't act. Maybe I should just pass it out. I'm not sure. It's interesting. We could gamble and bid 3 diamonds. I'm just gonna pass. As it turns out, partner had some support in hearts, so we could have competed to 3 hearts, but this was still a reasonable result, giving 2.5 stars. Let's go to the next board. Here we have both majors, so I can bid that. Landy. Partner didn't bid anything again. Sad. Now we're non-vulnerable. I'm definitely just gonna compete again. See what happens. We got 3 stars. Let's go to the next one. And here we have a 17 hand, so I'm just gonna double. And now I have no bid. You can play diamond if you want. Actually, we make some hard contracts. Anyway, that's not the point of the video. The point of the video is to show you how we have all of these decisions. Let's go back to the scenarios and see that if we go to Multi Landy, the last piece of the puzzle is clicking settings and then check this, randomly flip deal 180 degrees. And when we do that, that means that when we create deals, when we click generate more for this scenario, sometimes, or 50% of the time, east will have the opening hand and south will have the north hand. That means that you can take turns with your partner practicing your convention. And that's gonna be it. I hope you appreciate how cool this is and how you can use it to create your own scenarios to practice anything that you can imagine. We'll keep building on it and create more features for it, but I think already as it is pretty complex. So a guide like this has been long overdue and a lot of people have been asking for it. There's of course a bunch of things I didn't show in this video, so maybe I'll make more videos in not too long. I'm also gonna just share this with you. There is a button that you can share. So if you happen to play with Multi Landy, you can just use this version, so you don't have to recreate this exactly yourself. Describe what the scenario is. Robots will open 1-0 trump. You will have both majors, 1 major plus minor, or any 17 plus. Let's share that. You guys can click on scenario market. You can go here and you can search for multi. You can find this Multi Landy and you can save it to your collection. I hope you learned something and see you next time.